Hi everyone, welcome to Cryptolina channel. In this video I will show you a super accurate buy and sell strategy that will allow you to easily make $100 a day. I take you through all the necessary steps, so stay tuned until the end of this video. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe on my free Telegram group where you can find all my last crypto trades for free. And also guys, don't forget to claim your personal $4,500 bonus on BYBIT. All you need to do is make registration on BYBIT and make your first deposit. And if BYBIT don't work in your country, you can use BYBIT, because if you register by my link, you can also get $8,500 in bonuses. All the necessary link will be in the description and in the first pinned comment, so let's get started. The indicator used for this strategy is called the mobile bands indicator. Enter mobile bands and click on it. The mobile bands indicator is going to help us open a buy or sell position at exactly the right time. In addition to the mobile bands indicator, we will also use the moving average exponential indicator. This indicator is going to help us find the right trend so we know where to open, buy or sell positions. Now that the indicators are on price, we first need to adjust them. Start with the mobile bands indicator and change the mobile length from 10 to 15. Then press confirm. Next, you adjust the moving average exponential indicator, press the settings of the moving average and change the length from 9 to 200. Once you've done that, press confirm again, and now we are ready to explain the strategy step by step. You can trade the strategy on the 5-minute time frame, and I trade the strategy mainly on cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can also test the strategy on Forex or on the stock market, but I recommend you not to trade on any other time frame, so stick to the 5-minute time frame. Alright, I will start by explaining a buying position. Before we can open a buy position, we first want to see the price moves above the 200 EMA. This means that the price is moving an upward trend, and therefore we know that we should also only open buy positions. As soon as the price moves above the 200 EMA, we wait for a buy signal from the mobile bands indicator. When it appears, we can actually open a buy position already. Put your stop loss below the last low of the price and set the take profit 1.5 times higher. That means you have a risk-reward ratio of 1.5. Now let's see what this position would have done. As you can see, this buying position closed in profit very quickly. Once you have closed the position, you simply wait patiently for the next buy signal from the mobile indicator. Here we now see that the mobile indicator is once again given a buy signal, so we open another buy position since we see that the price is still moving above the 200 EMA. We put the stop loss below the last low and set our target 1.5 times higher. In this case, we also see that the position closes profitably. Always make sure that the price moves above 200 EMA when you want to open a buy position. In this case, we see a buy position, but the price is still moving below the 200 EMA, so we cannot open a position here. I often get asked on which platform I trade. I always trade on BYBIT. This is a professional cryptocurrency trading platform on which I place my positions daily. If you also want to trade in cryptocurrency, or if you want to use or buy and sell positions, then you can check out the links provided in the description of this video. If you want to implement this strategy, then BYBIT can also be useful because you can keep an eye on multiple quotes. This is useful to be able to make even more profits. Moreover, BYBIT has a one-time sign-up bonus of over $4,000. So that's definitely interesting as well. Now let's look at a sell position. A sell position actually just works the other way around. In this case, we want to first make sure that the price is moving below 200 EMA. This now indicates a fall in price, so we know we should only open a sell position. Once the price moves below 200 EMA, we wait for a sell signal from the mobile indicator. As you can see, this one takes place here. So at that moment, we can open our selling position. In this case, I place my stop loss above the last high and place my take profit now 1.5 times lower. As you can see, this was also a profitable position, only now through the sell variant. So when you open a sell position, make sure that the price always moves below the 200 EMA. In this example, you hadn't opened a position because the price was still moving above the 200 EMA. In this case, you wait for a buy signal and ignore these signals. To show you that this strategy really works, I will show you some positions that you could have made recently. I trade exactly the way I just explained. You will see that you can make huge profits. I open both buy and sell positions and speed up the picture so it doesn't take too long. Let's get started. In a period of just 4 days, I opened 16 positions, of which as many as 9 ended in profit, with a risk-reward ratio of 1.5 that is very good. What I also noticed is that this strategy continues to work well during periods when the price moves sideways. Most strategies make a lot of losses when the price starts moving sideways, so this strategy didn't have that. I encourage you to test the strategy for yourself as well. Let it be known in the comments if you made a profit with it. For now, closing the video and thank you for watching. See you next time. It's all for now. Bye.